Good morning students, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have started learning about the lesson our natural and cultural heritage. Is it dear student? So dear students, already this complete lesson explanation I have completed in the previous class, and dear students, I have started solving evaluate part, that is part A, fill in the blanks, and part B, choose the correct options. Yes dear student, first I will solve the part C, match the following. Okay. Yes dear student, you have already, I have solved part A, that is fill in the blanks, and part 2, choose the correct answers. These all things already I have solved. Now dear student, I am going to solve match the following. Dear student, open page number 256 and complete the match the following. First, whatever the answers I will give, you should copy it into the textbook, and then you go to the notebook. So dear student, this is first word, Rajasthan. Second, Ajanta and Ellora. Third one, Manipur. Fourth one, Kerala. And fifth one is North India. Okay, here in the B group they have given the clues. First one is Thangta. B, Mohiniyattam. C, Kathak. D, Ghumar. And E is wall paintings. Okay dear students, so this is the match the following pattern. Now we will read one by one words and we will match to the dance performances or whatever the famous in this place. First of all, Rajasthan. In the Rajasthan, here Ghumar, this is match to Ghumar. And second, Ajanta and Ellora. Dear student, Ajanta and Ellora is famous for wall paintings. Okay, Ajanta and Ellora is famous for wall paintings. Dear students, next word is Manipur. Okay, Manipur is Thangta. Okay dear student, and Kerala is famous for Mohiniyattam, and North India is famous for its Kathak. Okay dear student, so Rajasthan is famous for Ghumar folk dance performance. Rajasthan is famous for Ghumar, a folk dance. Then Ajanta and Ellora, here wall paintings. Okay, Ajanta and Ellora, these are the it is matched to wall painting. Dear student, here in the these are the wall paintings. Ajanta Ellora is depicting the life of Buddha. Okay, so next is Manipur. It is famous for a tribal dance, Thangta. Is it? In Manipur, the Thangta tribal dance is very famous. Next, Kerala is famous for a classical dance performance, Mohiniyattam. Okay, the next one, North India, and it is famous for a classical dance performance, Kathak. Okay, dear student, so these are the match the following of lesson number 2, our cultural and natural heritage. Okay, dear student, here I have solved part A, fill in the blanks, part B, choose the correct options, and part C is match the following. Okay, dear student, and now remains part D, answer the following questions. Okay, dear student, these question and answers in the next period I will try to solve. Okay, so dear student, in this lesson, what are the main things we have learned? We have learned India is a rich heritage in architecture and paintings. Is it, dear student? In the architecture, many of the oldest buildings, means whatever the temples, monuments they have built in the past, we have learned. And dear student, about the architecture, here forts, palaces, temples, monasteries and pillars, these all are built by our ancestors. These all things we have learned, is it? And these all buildings help us to understand our ancestors' lives, is it? Dear student, the earliest architectural remains in India belong to the Indus Valley civilization, and it ruins speaks about 5,000-year-old architecture marvels. Okay, and Indus Valley civilization, many other buildings were constructed. In the period following Indus Valley civilization, many buildings were constructed, and some of the famous buildings among them, these are the Buddhist stupas at Sanchi and Saranath. Buddhist stupas at Sanchi and Saranath, and Ajanta Ellora caves and Elephanta caves. These are the several statues of deities and murals in the period of Indus Valley civilization. And Sun Temple, Khajuraho Temple, Meenakshi Temple, Brihadeshwara Temple and ruins of Hampi, these all are some of the examples of old temples that built in the past. And dear student, in the old monuments like Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Humayun's tomb, these are all the famous monuments. They are located in the Delhi. And the Taj Mahal, it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Is it? The Taj Mahal, it is there in the Agra, and it is made of white marble. Okay, and this is the one of the 7 wonders of the world. So these all things we have learned in this lesson. With this, dear student, we have learned the main 2 types of dance and music. Is it? In the dance also, there are 2 categories like classical dance performance and folk dance performance. Okay, dear student, the famous classical dance performances of India in different states we have learned, like Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Manipuri. These are the famous classical dance performances in different states. Dear students, folk dances like Gidda and Bhangra and Ghumar, Garbha and Dandiya and Bihu dance performances. Yes, dear student, I have tried my best to show you these all dance performances with the image. Is it? These are all the dance performances with the image I have shown you. And dear students, also have learned about the famous classical dances of India like Sonal Mansingh, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Mallika Sarabai and Uday Shankar. Yes, just dear student, I hope you have seen all the images of the famous dancers. And dear student, we have learned about some of the tribal dances of India like Gaur Mariya, Panthi, Gotipua, Thangta, Changlo. Yes, these are all some of the dance performances of India. Is it, dear student? With this we have learned about the music. Is it, dear student? So music also classified into two groups like classical music and folk music. Is it, dear student? And in this classical music again it is divided into Carnatic music and Hindustani music. Okay, dear student, these all things we have learned, and the famous vocal maestros of India also we have learned. Pandit Jasraj, Bhimsen Joshi, M.S. Subbulakshmi, these are the famous vocal maestros of India. So dear student, we have learned about the musical instrument and also the famous musicians, classical musicians. Yes, these all things we have learned in this class. So dear student, these all things we have learned, and I have completed solving evaluate part A, B and C. Dear student, one request for you, compulsory whatever the evaluate part I am solving, just first you complete in this textbook, take a photocopy of this and first you send it to me. Then this is the classwork, and whatever the homework is there, miss this only you have to copy into the notebook, and then you have to complete the homework book. Okay, dear student, so this homework I am going to give you. First you complete the textbook work, then you go for the homework note. Okay, dear student, till here today I will stop. In the next class again I will come with question answers. Thank you.